Welcome, I'm Crafty Marianne. Today I want to do a follow-up on the Easter egg dyeing where we use natural ingredients. I forgot last time to pair off the vegetable and the egg and show what color I dyed each of them. So I'm going to fix that today. So I've got all the dyes, and the eggs are in the dye and have been for 15 minutes. So with that, we're going to go ahead and take them out and see what our colors are. If you notice in the back, I have the 4 containers that hold the neon food coloring dye because I want to go ahead and reproduce that as well. Alright, let's get the eggs out of the dye. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a lot of fun to make. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you, especially if you have ideas of what you would like to see. I will put the recipes and ingredients in the description area. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining Crafty Marianne.